Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 5th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of August in the year 2024, our system has identified VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.13. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock recorded a decline of 4.78%. This results in an average daily loss of 1.59% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 5.76% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 5.76% to 16.96%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 31.27% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 30.82% and 45.33%. This corresponds to a price range of $621.66 to $690.60 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Red Day on Monday for VOO. The VOO ETF price decreased by 3% on the last day, which was Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, dropping from $489.91 to $475.20. It has now experienced a decline for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 2.61%, reaching a low of $468.90 and a high of $481.16. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 6.79% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 6 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 15 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $7 billion and $40 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $519.40, while the lowest price reached $375.95. Currently, the price stands 8.51%, or $44.20, below the 52-week high of $519.40, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent trading activity for the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, known as VOO, has shown significant volatility, marked by a decline of 5.69%, closing at $490 on August 3rd. This downturn is driven by growing concerns over a potential economic hard landing, leading the S&P 500 to its lowest point in 2 months. Despite a robust year-to-date gain of 12.73%, the index is now 5.66% off its July record high. Investor sentiment has shifted, particularly as VOO had recently experienced record inflows of $51 billion, reflecting strong interest in passive investment strategies. In the short term, these fluctuations may provoke caution among investors, especially given the broader market's indication of instability. This could result in increased selling pressure on VOO as traders react to diminishing confidence in sustained growth. Long-term investors might view the current dip as a buying opportunity, particularly as VOO remains a cornerstone for diversified exposure to the S&P 500. Historically, investing in such ETFs has proven advantageous for those with a long-term perspective. especially in an environment amid rising volatility. The convergence of these dynamics underscores the importance of maintaining a balanced outlook, as the current market sentiment and economic indicators will continue to influence VOO's price trajectory in both immediate and longer-term horizons. The following signals have been identified for the VOO exchange-traded fund. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The VOO ETF is displaying sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which paints a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal emerges from the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels around $495.57 and $504.14. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 16th of July, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 8.45%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the ETF more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 173 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop-loss levels for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $474.80. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Overall, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $12.26, which represents 2.61%. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the ETF has been 1.95%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $489.91. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $474.80. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop-loss has been established. Is VOO ETF a good buy? The VOO ETF shows several negative indicators, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that it will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, our assessment of this ETF remains unfavorable. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of August, we expect VOO to open lower by approximately 11 cents, starting at $475.09. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. We strongly encourage you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.